Hi everyone, today with me I have this awesome set of laundry bags. It comes with 3 different sizes and you'll see that they each have their own color as well. So let's start with the smallest. The smallest is this nice yellow color and it is 11.81 by 9.84 inches. It's perfect for your bras, your underwear, scarves, socks, or a hat. Moving on up, we have the medium size. It is 15.75 by 11.81 inches and it's perfect to put in your t-shirts, your pants, some dresses, swimsuits, or even your shoes. And we have the largest one here, which is marked by this blue color. The large is a 19.69 by 15.75 inch bag, which is awesome for your hoodies, your windbreakers, jackets, or even a pillow if you can make it fit. I absolutely love having this for so many different reasons. First of all, you have the little hooks on the side which allow you to hang these bags off any little corner of your laundry room. Super helpful. I also like the sturdy zipper that they have. The handle's super easy to pull and the zipper never does you wrong, and you can also tuck the zipper down here into the end when you wash to prevent rust. And lastly, we have that strong mesh that is awesome to protect your clothes. I really love washing with these, and you can also use them to help you pack for traveling. These are awesome and I definitely recommend you get the entire kit so you can wash your clothes a little bit better.